Alright, real quick update. My refurbished ribs from the groundbreaker that I got rid of the base because it was too heavy, rotting, killing the lawn. I had some leftover latex that I used for the head, and I smeared it on the cheesecloth, some on the burlap. This way it'll hold up the weather better. And gave it some dry brushing with the yellow. It's really popping out here in the dark. And then I had pictures of this. Updates there. Used initially it was black, then I went over with some brown and some tan, light beige. Kept the eyes nice and black. The hair, this is string from inside of a baseball. Now I did some dry brushing. The yellow kind of pops out the details where it looks like it's rotting underneath, and then the mouth I used liquid latex, real thick. Method, I put it in some plastic and I use a heat gun to start making the liquid latex dry. Then I pull it off and it gives you that nice meaty part. And then I use the liquid latex that's not being dried to lather it in there to keep it. And it turns dark when it gets older, so it turned out well. There, everybody. Dave. Here's my upgraded groundbreaker prop. Might recognize him from previous years in the hunt. I got rid of his big wood base and the clothing. This looks like this is an old decayed zombie coming up out of the ground. Got a new head for it, made out of spray foam and a jello mold I got from Party City. The hair to hide the wood in the back. I have a wood base in the back here. The hair hides it. Foam connect to the back of the wood via a ground stake. Now this is a piece of wood, and to anchor it I got a eye hook that'll stake it in the ground. So, this is the back of it, and the ribs are from old rubber hose. I have an earlier tutorial from years ago on this. I can link it. So the head's on here. The hair hides the wood, and everything else is the original. I just added some silicone to it, like I said, the hair and the new head. Let me know what you think.